Hey friends, I am Sriram. Now I am going to explain about the physics of kite flying. The running launch of kite. Actually, we in the running launch of kite, we run with the kite in the opposite direction of the wind flow. This increases the wind flow, the relative velocity of the wind flow, which causes the increase in the force due to wind flow on the kite, which helps it in reaching higher altitudes for the airborne state. In the airborne state, actually, these are the four forces that acts on a kite. The drag force, the weight, the tension, the thrust due to wind flow. Some people mention like lift also. As the thrust increases, it can reach higher altitudes. But kites generally don't stop. Kites generally don't stop in the airborne state because of the equilibrium. Because there exists a lift due to the pressure difference. We are going to discuss about that also. Actually, due to the wind velocity, the pressure difference is also gets generated. Yeah, you can see the variation of velocity, how the wind velocity varies with the height. And one of the crucial factors is the aerofoil effect. The aerofoil effect is nothing but if the fluid flows over an aerofoil, its velocity increases, as well as its velocity decreases if the fluid flows below the aerofoil. Some people use equation of continuity and mass conservation theory to explain this aerofoil effect, and we some people use geometry also. You can see here actually the fluid flows along the boundary. The flow with circulation is denoted in the left side figure, and flow without circulation is shown in the right side figure. Flow without circulation is an idealized case. If you see here, it has to follow this path in the right side. But the real world scenario is the flow with circulation. If you apply a circulation, just like if you superimpose an idealized linear flow and a circulatory flow, then it results the flow with circulation, which is the real world scenario. We will get the stagnation points, just like at the both ends in the real world scenario, and the velocity above the aerofoil will increase, and the velocity of the wind below the airfoil will decrease. This is also known as kata condition in aerodynamics. In the airborne state of the kite actually achieves attains a curve shape, and when the wind flows over the kite and below the kite, its velocity increases and decreases respectively. Due to the increase and decrease in the velocities of the wind, a pressure difference gets generated. We know the Bernoulli is principle, and due to the pressure difference, a continuous lift acts on the kite, which helps it in the kite in going higher and higher. Uh, Actually, and these are also the important factors in flying a kite, if bridle position, attacking angle, etc. These are also important parameters. But now I am stopping with this, and thank you. Now I will provide the